So let's see. Boy, she was just walking in the air for like seconds. I will not die. I know, but then they died in a car accident.
Yeah, because the neighbor would drive.
Something in my eye.
That has to catch some kid. That's why.
Oh, we're going to the hotel. Oh, I hope this is... Only 2 people survived. Oh, wow, that's just sad. That's just sad, like, only 2 people survived. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm gonna jump in here. Bye. So this is like a secret place. People think when you go in here, you die, but you actually don't. It's just like a second floor. It's like a chimney. It's a chimney. You just jump in it. Oh, he just ruined my secret spot. No fun. I'm gonna say I'm a YouTuber. Not to brag. I got 20 already. That is just good. I got 20. Samuel had to join. So guys, one of my friends just left the game, which is sad, because I didn't want them to. So now I'm in this building by myself. And yeah.
Huh? I'll have it.
I don't have it.
What is it?
I don't have it.
So come find it.
Oh my god. So guys, I had to do something, so I had to pause the video. So yeah, I'm gonna go here. So if y'all hear screaming, that's typically my grandma. She's screaming loud. And for no speaking, she just starts screaming at us. Well, I ain't gonna do anything. Cause my mom here, we're gonna do it. People say hi to me in the comments. So, nope, I'm not gonna jump. I was going to, but cause I thought it was like the hotel when you could just jump. Oh, I'm about to say he's about to jump. People died already. Hey, I was about to die. You saw that. You saw that. I was about to die. Ooh, I feel bad for the people who are there. Me too what? I said me too what because he said me too, so I want to know what is me too. Aloha. Aloha. I guess because I don't speak. Well, I'm not Hawaiian. I don't know how you call Hawaii people. I'm sorry if I got your name wrong, but psych, about to jump in again. Why do I keep jumping in places, but then when I see, I don't go in. I mean, amigo, if you don't know, if you're not Spanish, amigo means boy. So I'm trying to go to my secret spot. Ooh, nobody following me. And yeah, they have to ruin it. If you follow me, if you don't, you have to. You have to. Time. I want to see how they react. How they react. Move. I'm on the other side. I don't want to be near anybody. So this is another place. It looks rusty, but you gotta go here. You see, you saw that. He just pushed me. I'm gonna die. I always die on this map because of people. No offense, not to be harsh, but yeah. Just go. If you push me. He has bacon here still, but he doesn't look like a noob. He looks like a pro. Bro, he is trying to push me. I'm done. Boy. Bacon here, bacon here. Okay, guys, how about this? Comment down in the comment section if you have bacon here. I really want to know. Cause I'm not gonna judge. Oh, you got baby. What it? Come back to the high school, but the fast school in the castle. That's not like right on the castle. Get out. My nephew just came, and now he might met up. Wow, I'm reading the comment. Wow, this is my first time playing this game. You happy? Nobody cares. I'm Rico. Some dude's following me. So, yeah, and I hope you like and subscribe to this channel. And I want a lot of views and stuff like that, but So can y'all please make that happen? If y'all see this video, comment down. The more y'all like, the more people people can see it. I just repeated more 2 times. So why? If she jumps down, don't. If you walk, I want to see if admin control. This is a game called free admin control. So yeah, and I want to play free admin control because it's a good game, but yeah, you could do things like it's free. You don't need to waste Robux on it and buy stuff. So yeah, that would be really good for free admin control because free admin control, like, it's just fun. You can fly, you can turn invisible, you can make clones. Go. So I'm gonna go here and try to survive. I will jump down there like a boss. Ready? Let's go. Yeah, and I did it, and now I'm all by myself. Nobody's near me, which is kind of good because I don't want anybody near me because I don't feel like dying, and I'm not trying to be mean and stuff. See, this is not shaking. That has too much weight. And so if I was to stay out there, I would have died. Finito. But no, I did not die because I made a smart decision to not go there. So I just jumped down. Boy, somebody just pushed me in the air. That's not how you do it. Look, it's like this. Slash. E. There's. See? This is how you do it. See how I'm hitting the move? He does not know what he's doing. Oh, he just killed himself. Yeah, she just killed herself. GG. That GG means good game. So yeah. And I hope y'all just liked the video. Comment down your Roblox name, and make sure to follow me. You could have like the max of friends. Okay, I'm gonna go here because if this jumps, I have to jump there. So which is good. So I might not die. Oh, that was close. If nobody moves, the thing is, if you move a lot and it's too overweighted, like he just started moving, it's gonna fall. Now that he moved, oh no, yes, he died. I didn't want him to die, but he was kind of annoying. So I'm gonna stop this video right here, and bye.